Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content setting. So first up, what do you need to change this setting? Well, Twitter by default blocks content like violence and nudity, so if for whatever reason you'd like to see this, here is how you do it. Before we get into the video, please do consider hitting that like and subscribe button, as it really helps the channel. To change this setting, you do need to do it in browser or on PC, as you can't currently change this setting on any of the Twitter apps. So once you're on your browser, the first thing you need to do is click on More underneath the Profile tab, go down to Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, then here you will see on the third row down, Content UC. Click on that. In the Content UC tab, you can now see it says display media that may contain sensitive content, and it's ticked. If you want to keep seeing the content, keep it ticked. If you don't, untick it. The last setting to change is the search settings. Here you can tick to hide sensitive content or leave it unticked if you'd like to see it. Once you've done that, back out of it and you're done. And that's it for today's video. I do hope you found this video helpful. If so, please do leave a like and a subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next one.